Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to turn off vanish mode on Instagram. So first of all, I will tell you what is the vanish mode. Vanish mode is simply a feature on Instagram chat, which means if you turn on vanish mode, then after closing the chat, all the chat you have will be cleared if you turn on the vanish mode for anyone. So without wasting any time, let's go to the solution. So if you want to turn this off, then how you can do that? For this, you have to simply click on the profile you have turned on the vanish mode, and after that, if you click on three dots, you do not find this option, so you have to click on privacy and safety. Then here you can simply find the option of vanish mode, so you have to turn off this toggle, and after that you have to see that chat is back again after turning off the vanish mode, which means in this way you can simply turn off the vanish mode on Instagram without any problem. If you are unable to use vanish mode and you are having problem in using vanish mode, then you can simply turn this off. Hope you have liked this video. Can you subscribe our channel?